My name's Nick Street. I'm the Director of Trust Precision Engineering Limited. Been going for 12 years. We serve predominantly the aerospace industry, motorsport, medical. We run 11 sliding head lathes ranging from 4mm bar-fed machines to 38mm.
Aerospace accreditation, which we got our AS9100. We got that at our earliest possible opportunity just to show where we plan to be on quality, because as the logo suggests, our reputation is everything. The technology we used before was similar technology but not the same level as the OGP. There was an evolution in what we could do. It's the repeatability, it's the speed. Because we have 11 sliding head machines out there, they make a lot of parts very, very quickly. You have to be able to check them. It's the cornerstone of everything, so you need the speed and the flexibility that the OGP gives us.
We've got the CNC 200, which we upgraded from our Zip Light, mainly to have the Zone 3 software to allow us to program offline in preparation for the components coming through.
With the offline programming, it's a lot easier to be adventurous. It's a lot easier to try different strategies using different probes. You can call them up very quickly. You can take multiple points without tying up a machine, so it hits that capacity issue. We get a drawing sent to us. Sometimes we model the drawing up, then we'll program it for the machine offline. Now we can actually program for the inspection process. Theoretically, before we've actually struck a blow, we have our measurement process in place. We have something that works, that we've done without tying up a machine.
Generally, a lot of our customers will come to us to help them with parts they may be producing themselves. They trust our inspection over their own. I suppose we are seen within our customers as a gold standard where the inspection side of things are concerned.
Having the Zone 3 meant that without tying an inspection machine up, we can do the process on the PC. We're measuring better and we're measuring more consistently. We recently had a part which was a bearing, but the actual section for the spherical area was not long enough to actually pick out the whole radius. So using the OGP, we modelled the part, we had it drawn to mid-limit. After we measured the model, we took that program, measured the actual physical part, and proved a repeatability within 5 microns. Without having that software and that touch probe capability and the features that the Zone 3 gave us, how we could have proven that we'd made this part right, I've got no idea.
Ever since I've been with OGP, all of my machines are calibrated by them, serviced 6 monthly. As with all the equipment in the place, everything's on a service contract, planned maintenance rather than breakdown. It's just made life so much easier. The repeatability is much better, down to the fact that there is more probing involved, and the auto lighting makes a lot of difference. Tying up the GD&T and knowing that that's all correct is a massive help.
We looked at the price points, the performance, the software, everything that really mattered about it. And that's when we started looking in and reading up and speaking to people about OGP. It made sense to be working with OGP. We'd thoroughly recommend them.